today I am going to be doing another mystery bag unbagging with you. I love doing these. They are so much fun for me and I hope you guys enjoy watching them too. Let me know if you do. There's my bag over there that we are going to do today, so let's jump in. Alright, first thing I am pulling out is from Kirkland's, size medium. This is a pair of leggings. Oh my gosh, I'm keeping these. I didn't even show you yet. So they're blue, they're heathered, they've got like these side pockets right here, and I actually have a pair of these in like kind of a mauve color and I love them, and I'm pretty sure they're size medium. That's what the bottom looks like. Right off the bat, we're doing well, I'm keeping something. Okay, next up, oh okay, so this is Coldwater Creek. This is 100% leather. It's snap closure. It's like this cognac, how do you say that word? Kind of color, kind of brown color. It's got a snap cuff. Like I said, it snaps up the front. And then it also has this little snap details in the back. Oh, and it's got pockets. Let's see. Yeah, it's got pockets right here. So that's kind of cool. I think I'm gonna try and sell this because I don't know if Coldwater Creek does well, but usually these like leather jackets like this do pretty good. So another score. Wow. Does that mean this is gonna be a good bag? Okay, next is a purple sweatshirt. Oh, I am seeing a logo that I recognize. Zaya Active. Oh, yep, it is Zaya Active. Size medium. Ooh, this feels nice. I may have to keep this. I don't know, I may have to keep this. I might be trying this one on as well. I might also, oh, it's got pockets. Okay. I see this navy cable knit sweater that I am pulling out. Long sleeve. Oh, it's opened in the front. Looks like it has buttons. This is from Land's End. The size medium. And yeah, so it's like this cable knit long sleeve. It has buttons, so it's a button front. Oh, and it's got pockets. A better view of that a little bit. So that's cute, actually. This is something I would consider wearing, but I am going to look this up. Land's End isn't a big seller for me, so I am going to look it up because it's like a chunkier, thicker, let me look up the contents. 100% cotton. Item, typically the novelty items usually sell for me. So I don't think this one's going to do great, but I'm going to look it up first, and then if not, I will try it on. Next is a pair of Chico's pants. Size 1. Stretchy pants. They're like this beige kind of color. They are like a wide leg or like a flare. Actually, those look a little bit more of a flare leg. I don't do well with Chico's, so I may look it up, but this will likely probably get redonated. It's not the right size for me to like give to my mom. I know she likes Chico's, but I don't think that's her size. This is Offline by Aerie. This is size medium, and it's just this very oversized kind of slouchy waffle knit long sleeve. Oh, it's got a thumb hole in it too. Kind of sweater. It looks like, oh, it kind of got a quarter snap there. So this is really cute. I'd like to say that I want to keep this, but at the same time, I feel like Play-Dohs would like this, and I am trying a new thing with Play-Dohs that I don't know if I've talked about it yet. I may have. I don't know. Anyway, I'm trying out a new method to my reselling, and I'm trying to incorporate Play-Dohs. We'll see how it goes. So I actually think I'm going to bring this to Play-Dohs, and if they don't take it, then maybe I'll try it on. Oh, this is J. Jill. Oh, this looks like a substantial piece that needs a ton of detailing. So here's kind of what the pattern looks like on the top. It is long sleeve. I'm gonna have to like really look at this. It is J. Jill, size small. And it looks like it's just, is it just an open long cardigan? Yeah, looks like it's just an open long cardigan. It does have pockets. I'm gonna stand up and try and show you. This is actually a very long line. Yeah, that's a long cardigan. So that might actually do well, but like, look at that. That's, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but that's a ton of pilling. So I would definitely have to depill this. But I do like selling JHL. Oh, this is 20% wool. So I am gonna look this one up. This is cool, this is cute. I feel like I can use some really good keywords with this one. This is actually turning out to be a pretty decent bag so far, and I think I might be halfway through it. So I'm pretty excited. I like whoever donated this. They got good stuff. Okay, so this is Banana Republic Extra Fine Italian Merino Wool. Oh my goodness. It's like a cardigan. That's awesome. Okay. But wait a minute, it might not be so awesome. Oh, okay, it buttons up. So it's just a kind of a basic blue button-up cardigan. It's got like wide kind of ribbed sleeve. I don't know if you can tell there. The buttons kind of are a little bit larger, and it just has like a little bit of a crew neck kind of cardigan. I know I'm doing a terrible job showing you because it's not buttoned up, but that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna look that up just because of the fabric content. And what size is this? A medium? If it's not great, I will keep this because it just feels really nice and it's a nice color. Okay, next looks like a jean jacket. Calvin Klein jeans, size medium. And this is just a nice jean jacket. You're seeing the front. I'm not seeing it at the moment. I'm looking through my viewfinder. Buttons on the cuff that aren't buttoned up. Oh, it's got like a little pocket in the front that says Calvin Klein. Has pockets here on the side. And it does have this little like faux belt little thing in the back. I'm gonna stand up and try and give you a better view. This is cute. What size does it say? Medium? I might try this one on. Puma. Zip up. That's not zipped up. This is actually kind of nice feeling. What size is this? This is a size medium, so definitely something I could wear. But again, I think I'm actually going to take this to Plato's and see if they want it first. And if they don't, there, I zipped it up. If they don't want it, then I will try it on. I think what I'm going to start doing is look up like on their like social media pages and stuff and see what they're actually looking for and try and get things and bring them things that's only on that list. I think I have to start doing that because normally I don't do that. I just bring in whatever, and I feel like I'd have better luck if I actually paid attention to what they want. This is really kind of gross. This says it's for Mary Kay. It is another denim jacket, but it's pretty gross looking, so I'm not even gonna show you. I'm sure it would come out in the wash. Just looks like, I'm not even gonna tell you what it looks like. I'm so sorry. But I'll show you the tag. I've never seen that before, so I think that's very interesting. There's nothing really super special about it. So I don't know if I wanna, I don't know, we'll see. I might just wash it. Let's just move on. Can't all be, you know, great things. Okay, so this is Izod Perform size medium, like a zip up, and this reminds me of those like spider jackets, the brand Spider. That's what this kind of reminds me of, like the material. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell through the camera, but this is actually really nice. What size did I say it was? A medium? I might see if someone I know wants this. Kind of looks like this is men's because of the zipper, but I'm not really sure. Anyway, this is kind of nice. So I'm gonna see if someone that I know might like this. So this is Coliseum Women's. Oh good, it tells me. size medium, Michigan, like a quarter zip. Is this new? It's got like a hang tag thing on it, but it doesn't have a like an actual thing. An actual tag, like a paper tag. But this is really cute. I may keep this. This is nice. So I'm actually gonna try this one on. We are getting there. We're very close to the end of the bag here. This is from Eddie Bauer. This is a women's medium. And this is a plaid, like a black and white plaid. Just kind of like a flannel kind of top. It's got got pockets there. I actually might try this one on too because this is very classic and it feels really nice. And Eddie Bauer, I feel like, is good quality. So, man, this is a great bag. Okay, what is this? Okay, so this is from Victoria's Secret Pink. Tell because it says right there. These are like more of a crop. So I don't know if those are gonna, I don't know. I might take the Play-Dohs just in case, but I don't know if we'll take those because they're cropped length and I feel like they don't really take that anymore. Okay. Okay, last thing in the bag. The bag is now empty. It's a pair of black pants. Oh, it's new tags. Never heard of this. You tell me. Have you ever heard of this brand? I haven't. I don't know. This looks like a Temu brand or like a Shein brand. It's not Shein, but like one of those kinds of things. It's just a pair of black pants, like nice actually dress pants, stretchy. They're nice. I just never heard of this brand. It's a size 4. $4.29. Yeah, $4.29. Just a pair of black pants, nothing super special, but they are new with tags and I have never heard of that before. So if you have heard of that brand, let me know, like, where does that come from? Okay, that is everything. That was actually a pretty incredible bag. That was really fun to go through. I have a decently small pile of things that I'm going to try on. I have a pretty big pile of things I'm actually going to look up. Now, based on what comps are saying, I may not list a majority of this pile, but I do have a pretty good pile. And I've got a handful of things to bring to Play-Dohs, so that's exciting. I love doing these. They're just so much fun. I don't know why, but they are. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And I hope you all have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Bye.